Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic on human evolution. Where do we come from? Human evolution is a lengthy process of change by which people originated from ape-like ancestors. Scientific evidence shows that the physical and behavioral traits shared by all people originated from ape-like ancestors and evolved over a period of approximately 6 million years ago. Ever wondered why monkeys are called our ancestors? Well, technically they're wrong. We have evolved from an ape-like ancestors. Humans are actually primates. Physical and genetic similarities show that modern human species, or Homo sapiens, has a very close relationship to another group of species called the apes. So, who are apes? Apes or primates have these 4 distinguishing features: downward nose, tailless, complex brain, and cognitive abilities. Surely someone has watched a gorilla solving math. Humans and the great apes like gorillas and chimpanzees have lived and shared a common ancestor between 8 to 6 million years ago. Humans first evolved in Africa, and much of human evolution occurred on that continent. The fossils of early humans who lived around 6 to 2 million years come entirely from Africa. Most scientists currently recognize some of 15 to 20 different species of early humans. Scientists do not all agree, however, about how these species are related or which one simply died out. Many early human species, certainly the majority of them, left no living descendants. Scientists also debate over how to identify and classify particular species of early humans and about what factors influenced the evolution and extinction of each species. The journey from apes to humans. One of the earliest defining human traits, bipedalism, or the ability to walk on 2 legs, evolved over 4 million years ago. Other important human characteristics such as large and complex brain, the ability to make and use tools, and the capacity for language developed more recently. Many advanced traits, including complex symbolic expression, art, and elaborate cultural diversity, emerged mainly during the past 1 million years. So, what are the evolutionary changes that we can see and that might have led to us right now? The process of evolution involves a series of natural changes that cause a species, population of different organisms to arise, adapt to the environment, and become extinct. All species or organisms have originated through the process of biological evolution. And when I mean biological evolution, it consists of mutation, adaptation, recombination, and isolation. Evolution does not change any single individual. Instead, it changes the inherited means of growth and development that typify a population or a group of individuals of the same species living in a particular habitat. So the first stage of evolution that we see here is Australopithecus. The fossil of this genus was first discovered in 1924 in South Africa. They lived on the ground and used stones as weapons, and they were the first species to walk erect. They were about 4 feet tall and weighed about 60 to 80 pounds. The second stage is the Ramaphithecus. The first remains were discovered from the Shivalik range in Punjab and later in Africa and Saudi Arabia. They lived in open grasslands. 2 pieces of evidence confirms their hominid status: thickened tooth enamel, robust jaws, and shorter canines. The third stage of evolution are the Homo Erectus. These were considered as the missing link between the man and apes. Another discovery made in China was the pecking man. This specimen that we see in the slide right now is a specimen that had large cranial capacities and is believed to have lived in communities. They used tools comprising quads. Tools made of bones and woods were also discovered. There is evidence of collective huntings too. They used fire and they were believed to dwell in caves. The Homo erectus evolved into Homo sapiens, the last stage of human evolution. During evolution, two subspecies of Homo sapiens were identified, Homo sapien neanderthal and Homo sapiens sapiens. The cranial capacity of Neanderthal grew from 1200 to 1600 cc's. Some small-handed axes was also discovered. So this species of hominids could hunt big names like mammoths. So the remains of Homo sapiens were first discovered in Europe and were named Cro-Magnon. In these, the jaws are quite reduced, the modern man's chin appeared, and the skull was rounded. The cranial capacity was about 1350 cc's. They gathered food through hunting, and art first appeared during this time. Over time, genetic change can alter a species' overall way of life, such a way it eats, how it grows, and where it can live. Human evolution took place as new genetic variations in early ancestral populations favored new abilities to adapt to environment change, and so the human way of life also altered. Human evolution, it is the process within the history of primates that led to the emergence of Homo sapiens and a distinct species of the hominid family, which includes obviously the great apes that we studied. This process involved the gradual development of traits as well as interbreeding, which indicate that human evolution was not linear, but instead a web. Thank you all for watching, and I hope that you have, if any queries, you can comment in the comment section, and I hope you enjoyed and learned about human evolution. Thank you.